Visible's unlock policy allows you to use your Visible phone with other carriers once certain requirements are met. The most important condition is that the device must be locked to the Visible network. All phones sold by Visible come locked and are designed to work exclusively on the Visible network until unlocked. Keep in mind, Visible does not offer devices that are unlocked upon purchase. Once you meet Visible's unlocking requirements, you can unlock your device through Visible's unlock process, typically performed via the Visible app or by contacting Visible customer service. To unlock your Visible phone, it must generally be used on the Visible network for a specific period. For devices locked to the Visible network prior to March 24, 2022, the device is automatically unlocked 60 days after activation. For devices locked to the Visible network on or after March 24, 2022, the phone is automatically unlocked 60 days after activation on the Visible network. There is no fee to unlock your device. If your phone meets these requirements, check the Visible app for device unlock instructions or contact customer support. Also, make sure the device has not been reported lost, stolen, or associated with fraudulent activity.